Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Today I'm going to give a quick shout out to Brian over at Arrowhead Garage. He sent this note with his decals slash stickers, whichever way you want to call them, that he had sent me. He had sent me a couple weeks back and they never arrived, so I just sent him a message and he got me another envelope out with some more in it. If you're a subscriber or already familiar with Arrowhead Garage, it's a real good channel. He's got tons of information and a lot of videos over there. If not, visit him at Arrowhead Garage. His channel is right here. Sorry about that. And there's a link right down here. Again, Brian, thank you for the decals. Got a package coming your way. And guys, I'll catch y'all next time. As always, please like and subscribe.